Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are having issues with Safari on your iPhone, whether it is slow performance, glitches or just general bug, one of the best solutions is to actually factory reset Safari. Doing this will clear your browsing history, cookies, cache and any other data that might be causing problems. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to reset Safari on your iPhone with some of the simple steps. This method can actually help make Safari run smoother and give it a fresh start. But before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources mentioned in this video down in the description box below. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the first step would be in resetting Safari is actually clearing your browsing history and the website data. This method particularly helps in removing any kind of data that might be causing the issues. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to open your settings application in your iPhone, and over here you just have to scroll down and try to find Safari in this list. Now once you are able to find Safari, you just have to tap on it and then you need to scroll down in the bottom, and now you need to try to find the option that says clear history and website data. So you need to just tap on it and a confirmation pop-up will appear in front of you where you need to tap on clear history again in order to confirm that you want to clear history and the data. So this is going to delete your browsing history, your cookies and cache, your bookmarks and saved password will remain, so don't worry about losing some of the important information. Now in the second method, what you can do is you can simply disable Safari settings. So if clearing history didn't fully resolve the issue, you can also disable and re-enable certain Safari settings, and this can also refresh Safari's functionality. So again, you need to come in your Safari app section, and over here you will be able to see the options like block pop-ups, prevent cross-site tracking and use content blocker. So you can just turn them on later and you can just turn them off. So you just have to, according to your preferences, turn them on and turn them off. Once you have toggled these off, you need to close the settings app and you need to reopen it to see if the performance actually improves. This can actually help reset how Safari interacts with the websites and other application on your iPhone. You can even reset all of the settings on your iPhone, and this can help in improving the speed and the functionality of Safari. For that, you need to come into the settings of your device and then you just have to go to the general tab. In the general tab, you will be able to see the reset option. So you just have to scroll down and try to find the reset option here. Tap on the reset all settings and you need to confirm that, and by doing this you will need to actually re-enter your Wi-Fi password and adjust some of the settings, but Safari should be refreshed. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.